Welcome to the Sales Lab.
RGA is an industrial fabricator and distributor of industrial MRO, maintenance, repair, operations equipment for any kind of manufacturing facility. It can be food, it can be um, steel manufacturing, it could be auto parts. So what we do is we specialize in a couple areas: rubber and hydraulic hose, metal hose, conveyor belting, and then any kind of sealing products like gaskets, O-rings, things like that. So those are our specialties. We get into quite a bit more, but the one thing that we do, we have 18 locations in 10 states. Our real value prop is we fabricate in each location for our local customers. So each one of our store locations covers about 150-mile radius around the stores, and we tailor to a manufacturing base that needs our products to operate the facility. You know, if it's a ice cream facility, the milk comes in one end, our hoses, gaskets, transfer the product across the plant to where it's fabricated or where it's made, and then our conveyor belts take the packages to maybe the shipping area where it's shipped out or packaged. So we get into quite a few different areas of verticals inside of each manufacturing facility. So it keeps our salespeople very busy.
Yeah, a little bit of a variety, I guess, as well.
Quite a variety. Our line sheet is pretty long. We probably should make it a little bit more. Maybe a simplified version may help, but what I tell people is we do a little bit of everything. We don't get into electrical. It's not our vertical. But it could be anything from off the shelf items to fabricated items, and then there's some things that are factory made that we would distribute from our manufacturer vendors.
Okay. And so there's the distribution element, there's the fabrication element. Why would it be important to be able to fabricate in a local market? Where does the value come from there?
Yeah, so we have many great competitors, and the one thing that sets us apart in that aspect is lead times, price, being competitive in a price situation. But for the most part, it's lead time. Our company is 24/7, so our customers rely on us to be able to fabricate a hose assembly, to weld a metal braided hose, to fabricate and deliver a conveyor belt in the middle of the night, and that's really where we can set ourselves apart. Local stock, local fabrication shortens lead times. We're not waiting for things in transit. We're not waiting for someone else to fabricate them in large cities: Houston, Dallas, Atlanta, Chicago. We do it in our local markets so that our customers have that confidence that maybe they don't have to keep as much on their shelves. So with just-in-time inventories, with the pressure to keep the cost lower in their inventory, they can lean on a company like RGA to come through when they need product that may normally be a longer lead time or come from farther away.